Hello, I'm Jeannette Koczela, founder and president of the International Association of Professional Life Coaches. And today I have a video tip for you about a nifty little tool that you may enjoy using when you're writing copy and you want to have it. When we write copy on our websites or for ads, we have to make it so that it's easy to read and not too complex. Because if it is, people just won't want to read it. They say that you need to have your copy be equivalent of grade 3 through 6. 6 is pushing it a little bit, to be able to have people just read through it quickly. So there's a little tool online that I want to show you that will help you see where what grade your copy is in. So let's go take a look. So this is called Hemingway App. Hemingway, just like Ernest. App, app.com. And what happens is when you go in here, there's other copy, and all you do is copy and paste your copy right in here, which I've already done. And then you'll see that there's color codes here. So for example, yellow means that the sentences are hard to read. And so you may want to go in and change the way it's reading. Sometimes you tend to have complex sentences, and you can break them up with, make one sentence, several sentences. This color here, sort of a dark pink, is very hard to read. And so you have to look and see, what's in there that you could change to make it a little easier to read. And then they also have green, which is passive voice, and they just say that you want to have so many proportionately. So, they have how many words you have and how many sentences you have, and then they have certain proportions. And so then you'll see that here I have a grade 6, which they say is good, but you certainly don't want any higher than grade 6. But what I was able to do then was just go in here and see where I could change some things. So like purple is words that are complex that you could make simpler. So I was trying to implement multiple strategies. Okay, implement a multiple, have simpler words, such as I was trying to put into place many strategies. Okay, then that would, according to them, would be better because it's simpler. And here, all of these could just be all these. That's a simpler way of making this. And sometimes the adverbs, which are the blue ones, sometimes they're unnecessary. So you just have to go through and see, really is a word that everybody uses, but it's not really necessary. I could easily say not enjoying the journey instead of not really enjoying the journey. And anyway, so you can just go through and see where you may need to change some things. If you have a lot of these dark purples, you really should go back in and rewrite them, basically. So anyway, that's the tool, and just another tool to help you with getting your message out there and having it easier to read for people. Hope that was helpful.